Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including LinkedIn in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to change your LinkedIn profile so recruiters can see that you're open to job recommendations or interested in maybe leaving your current job and finding something else. Now, LinkedIn has a lot of job tools. This is the main LinkedIn.com page right now. And if you click on jobs, you can start searching for them. But there's something else you can do to your profile to make it look to people who are visiting it to let them know that you're interested in finding work, or especially for recruiters who are hiring people, they can access special programs on LinkedIn to more easily find them. Let them know that you're open to job offers or to discuss a potential position. And actually, here's what I'm talking about. So go to your profile. To do this, you can click on yourself, or you can go to Me and then select the profile. And here's my profile. If you scroll down, there's a dashboard. And you'll notice the second item here, it says career interests. Let recruiters know that you're open. Off. So I'm telling recruiters I'm not interested. But what if I want to open that up so recruiters know that, yeah, hey, maybe I might be interested in talking about a potential position that fits my skills and experience and career aspirations. So here's how to do it. Go to the LinkedIn toolbar. These are the icons at the top of the screen on LinkedIn.com. Select Me, then select Settings and Privacy. Okay, so there's all kinds of options here. It's a little bit confusing at first. You want to go to Job Seeking Preferences on the left side of the page under Privacy. Okay, let recruiters know you're open to opportunities. Share that you're open and appear in recruiter searches matching your career interest. And as I mentioned before, recruiters, they use special tools to find people that ordinary LinkedIn users, the ones who have the free accounts, do not have. So this is how they can kind of supercharge and narrow down their search to find people who are receptive to changing their job, or maybe at least having a chat. Click Change. Okay. We take steps not to show your current company that you're open, but can't guarantee complete privacy. Okay, so what this is saying is that if you select yes, your current company may be able to see that you are open to new positions. That can be good or that can be bad. I mean, some companies may say, "Oh, this person is interested in maybe working someplace else, so he or she is not completely dedicated to the company." So that might be a bad thing. But on the other hand, to some companies, it might say, "Oh, gee, Ian's not so interested in sticking around, so maybe we have to, but we want to keep him. So maybe what do we need to do to make that happen?" But in any case, regardless, if you're interested in letting outside recruiters know that you're interested, just click the toggle. It says no, just click on it, and then it goes to yes, and it will say saved. That means when you log out of LinkedIn, it will still stay like that. Now, this is not a guarantee that recruiters are going to come pounding down your door, but it is a way to let some of them know that you are available and potentially interested in finding a new position. And if there's a good match, that could lead to an opportunity that you wouldn't have otherwise. For more information on how to get the most out of LinkedIn, check out LinkedIn in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Has lots of information about finding jobs, optimizing your profile, and networking effectively on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching.